How does one go about finding a, or a, or even a, for their next multimedia project? It's simple. A multimedia impacts collection from unique tracks. This disc is complete with over 450 elements in 21 categories. There's beeps, buttons, chimes, clicks, digital beds and readouts, error messages, flash beds, flash elements, gears, and statics, high-tech elements, mouseovers, multimedia hits, musical tones, pings, pop-up elements, screens, and window effects. If you have a visual that can't be explained with normal run-of-the-mill sound effects, then you need multimedia impacts. It's stuff you'll need and stuff you'll use from unique tracks.